Hello everyone, welcome back to the Testing Diaries channel. In this video we will see how we can install plugins manager in JMeter. So JMeter provides different plugins which we can use for our different load testing or performance testing needs. So that plugins manager contains a lot of plugins which we can use for our performance testing, like different thread groups, different listeners, etc. So in this video we will see how we can install the plugins manager. So for that you need to go to your search engine and search for JMeter plugins manager, and it will show this site, and from here you can go to install, and you see you can install the plugins manager.jar file, and you need to put it into the lib/ext directory in your JMeter and then restart the JMeter. So I already copied that jar file in my ext, like lib.ext directory, so you can see it here, this one, right? So this is already there and I already have it in my JMeter, and in JMeter you can see it under options and then plugins manager. See, so this is what you will see when you open the JMeter plugins manager. So you can see the installed plugins, the available plugins, and if the installed plugins have any upgrade, you will see all of them over here, right? So yeah, this is how we can install plugins in the JMeter.